Welcome! In this video tutorial, you'll learn the simplest method to start a new line within an Excel cell. This allows you to easily split text of any length into multiple lines, making it more readable. We'll also discuss how to remove line breaks and return the text to a single line. Shall we begin? Hello, I'm Joanne, and on behalf of the Sheet Leveler team, I'd like to welcome you. We're here to help you use Excel quickly and easily with our straightforward video tutorials. If you want to enter a longer text in a single cell and start a new line for some words, the easiest method is to use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus Enter. Let's see how this works with a specific example. First, click on the cell where you want to add the text. Then, type the initial part of your text, which in this case will be How To. Now, let's use the shortcut we just mentioned, Alt plus Enter, to create a new line. Now we can complete the text with Start a new line in an Excel cell. After that, press Enter, and you can adjust the cell's height and width as needed to ensure both lines of text are visible. You can also use the same shortcut to split text that's already been entered into a cell. For instance, let's place in an Excel cell on a new line as well. Double-click to enter the cell and position the cursor right where you want the line break, which in this case is before the word in. Now, simply press Alt plus Enter, and that's it. Our text is now spread across 3 lines. We can adjust the cell's height and width again as needed to ensure the entire text is visible, even after adding a new line. But let's move on. If you want to revert this text layout back to a single line, it's quite simple. Just follow these steps. Double-click the cell again, position the cursor at the start of the line you want to remove, and press the backspace key. This will shift the text up by 1 line. You can also delete a line from the formula bar in the same way. Click on the downward arrow on the right to display all the text, and once again, use backspace to move that section of the text up, keeping everything in a single line. It's important to highlight one key point. Even though we've removed the line breaks, they still appear in the spreadsheet. This happens because when we format text in this manner, Excel automatically enables text wrapping. The Wrap Text feature is a more advanced method for ensuring that longer texts fit within a single cell. If you'd like to see how this works, check out a separate tutorial from Sheet Leveler. You can find the link to the video in the description below. Now, to display the text on a single line, we can simply turn off text wrapping by clicking this button, achieving the desired format. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.